In this video, I'll guide you through how to delete contacts in HubSpot, whether you're cleaning up test data, removing outdated leads, or just trying to keep your CRM organized. Knowing how to safely delete contacts is really important. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and along the way, I'll point out a few things to keep in mind so you don't accidentally remove information you still need. First, make sure you're logged into your HubSpot account and that you have the right permissions to delete contacts. Not every user can delete records, so if you don't see the options I describe, you may need to ask your account admin to adjust your permissions. Once you're in, look at the main navigation menu at the top of the screen. Hover over or click on the section labeled CRM, then choose Contacts from the drop-down. This takes you to your main contacts dashboard where you can see a list of all the contacts stored in your HubSpot CRM. On this page, you'll see your contacts listed in rows. Each contact usually shows details like their name, email, life cycle stage, and other properties your team has set up. To the far left of each contact row, you'll see a small checkbox. These checkboxes are how you tell HubSpot which contacts you want to delete. Go down the list and click the checkbox next to every contact you want to remove. Take your time with this part. It's a good idea to double check the names and information before you select them, especially if you're working with real customer data rather than test records. If you accidentally select a contact you want to keep, just click the checkbox again to clear it. You can scroll through the page and keep selecting as many contacts as you need. If you're working with a large number of records, you might find it helpful to use the filters or search bar at the top of the contacts table. For example, you might filter by a specific life cycle stage, by a certain date, or by a particular list. Once the filtered contacts appear, you can select only the ones that match your cleanup criteria. After you've chosen the contacts you want to remove, look toward the top of the contact list. You'll see a row of actions that apply to the contacts you've selected. Among those options, there will be a button labeled Delete. This is the control you'll use to remove the selected contacts. Click the Delete button. HubSpot will usually prompt you with a confirmation message asking if you're sure you want to delete these contacts. This is your final chance to review your choices. Remember, depending on your account's configuration, deleting contacts can be permanent and may remove associated data like activities, notes, or form submissions linked to those contacts. If you're confident you've selected the correct contacts, confirm the deletion in the pop-up. HubSpot will then process your request and the selected contacts will be removed from the list. The page will refresh and you should no longer see those contacts in your CRM. And that's all there is to it. You've just learned how to delete contacts in HubSpot by selecting them from the contacts page and using the delete button at the top of the list. Keeping your contact database clean and up to date helps your reports stay accurate and makes it easier for your team to focus on the people who really matter.